Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I braided my hair. First, there is a blowout process. It's just easier for me to braid when my hair is like this. I usually use the hair dryer on low or medium heat. We're not trying to, to damage your clothes, okay? Well, for parting my hair, I'm using some clips to keep things in place and a red tail comb. I like to part my hair using the bricklayer method. That way the braids fall nicely and there are no gaps on the final look. And yes, let's not talk about my roots. I know I need to bleach them again. I will do it in January. For parting the back, I use two mirrors so I can see it and part it nicely. Here's what it looks like once I've braided my natural hair into little squares. This is the base before I add the extensions, and trust me when I say that step will save you so much time. I start each braid with my natural hair, then I use my needle tool to pull these extensions through the base. Once the hair is in, I just braid it down, like normally. It takes time, but I love how clean and secure it looks. Now I just have to repeat this process again and again and again until the last braid. To finish, I colored the ends using hot water and let them air dry, and here's the final look.